Hello students, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Anjali Singh. So students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your places and doing good. So let's begin with our today's class. So before watching this video students, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all the new videos of my channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. And please, after watching the video, if you find helpful for you, then you can share it with your friends and also mention your comments in the comment section by also liking the video. So let's begin with our next part 4, which is for the lecture 1, which we are discussing, class 8 chapter 6. So students, I'm going to show you an image and you have to identify something. Okay, yes, what do you see on your slide? Yes students, these are the crackers, right? All these crackers you can see different types of. So students, basically when do we use crackers? Instead, we should try to not use the crackers because they are not good. But still, we use on which festival? Yes, the Diwali or on some wedding occasions also, right? Wedding occasions. Very good students. So students, what you can say that is there any combustion process involved over here also, as we are discussing earlier in the earlier videos? Yes, there kind of some combustion is going on over here. And students, what do you think that after burning some heat, light, sound is also being produced by this? Yes, sound is there. They produce the light, heat, right? Very good student. So students, these type of processes in which some kind of things are burning, like these are the crackers and leading to smoke, heat or light, we term it as the process of the explosion of something. So let us discuss something about explosion today. Okay. So students, after watching this video, you will be able to define explosion using appropriate keywords and also identify the different situations where explosion is occurring, and you will be able to demonstrate a small activity using an image, that how the explosion is different situations, it is different, like a small, by watching the few images you will have to comprehend, and also you will be able to apply and analyze that how the process of explosion is leading to our environment. So students, let's begin with understanding of what is explosion. So basically students, explosive combustion starts when some energy ignites the substance and heat, light, sound energy is released immediately. So here, as you can see in the case of the cracker, like you can see an anar is there, which we call it in Hindi, right? That is also producing sound, heat, right? Different crackers like a turkey is also there. We are taking general examples, okay? Which is also producing heat, light, sound. So which is happening when some energy is there, which is ignites the substance and releasing the immediately, which we have started. Now when a cracker is ignited, it means ignited means we are burning it. A sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light and sound. Yes, whenever we burn any cracker, ignite any cracker, so sudden reaction, chemical reaction is taking place. Why any chemical reaction takes place, students? Yes, because these crackers are made up of chemicals only, right? Yes, very good. You have given the right answer, that due to the chemicals, some chemical reactions take place inside them. The, due to which the explosion reaction is taking place in all these burning, right? Very good, students. So, a large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Such a reaction is called explosion. So here you can see that whenever chemical reactions is taking place in the burning of these crackers, so many large amount of gas is being released in our atmosphere. Okay. So such a reaction which is occurring, that is known as the explosion. Okay. So here you can say that large amount of gas responsible for the explosion. Right, students? Yes, very good. So here the necessary conditions are that heat is being produced, light is being produced, or the sound and the smoke also, right? These all are leading to some chemical reactions, which is called the explosion, the large amount of gas all is leading out. So now students, over here, what can you see in this image? And just elaborate a bit upon it by mentioning your comments in the comment section. Yes, a view where the child is burning the crackers, a view of the Diwali or some event is there, right? So what is major part which you can see over here? The highlighted thing is there. Yes, the highlighted thing is, students, a large amount of gas, or you can say smoke. So much of smoke is releasing by the burning, right? Smoke, you can say large amount. So students, do you think that this must be harmful? This smoke is harmful or not for our environment? Yes, it is basically harmful. So we can say that the explosion leads to some harmful things also. So students, where you can see large amount of smoke or gas is being released, that is a case of the explosion taking place, right? So that is why we say that we should ban the burning of those crackers, and we are not allowed also at some places, right? Very good, students. So now it's a true false question for you. The type of combustion reaction that occurs with the evolution of tremendous amount of heat, light, gases and sound is known as spontaneous combustion. You have to relate now explosion with the spontaneous combustion which we have studied in the last video, whose link I have given in the description box also. So yes student, is it a true or a false? Yes, it is a false statement. Why students? Please mention that in the comment section why it is false. Yes, because the explosion, you can see in the explosion also tremendous amount of heat, light, gases is released, and that is, students, some kind of rapid combustion is there because we are burning those crackers, right? And they are suddenly igniting. Yes, we are seeing that the sudden ignition is there in the substances. So that is an example of rapid combustion, not the spontaneous combustion. Very good, students. So now what can you see? Yes, so much smoke is being released. And what is that? The dry leaves, the burning of dry leaves is going on. Yes, very good, students. Now let us view few more images and you will then comment on those also. Yes, meanwhile, side by side, you can write down the images are related to what in the comment section. Yes, this is the smoke which is coming out of factories, right? Factories. In the first, we see the dry leaves, right? Yes, students. Now, so students, if in a room, I give you a situation that there is a room in which is locked from everywhere and one person is there, and we are burning coal, large amount of coal for like 2 to 3 hours, and the person is there inside the room. So will you think that the person will be affected by that smoke? Yes, yes, definitely he would be affected by that smoke if a person is there and we are putting us something coal which is burning, right? So what will be there inside the room? A large amount of smoke will be there. So which will affect the respiration of that person and the person may die also. Yes. So here also students, he can see that he will be having respiratory problem. He will be not be able to breathe even properly in that room. Yes. If you burn a large amount of coal in that room, the case which we have discussed. So here what is happening that the explosion reactions which are going on, they are somewhat affecting our the environment also, and it is leading to some harm also for us, right? So as you can see that how our earth is looking like, see so much smoke it is releasing, so that is not good for our earth. And what is in this image, if you have to compare, yes, one side is like the totally dry, the trees are dried and everything is dry, and one side we have the greenery and the water all around. So students, this explosion which is releasing the smoke and the other harmful products, this is not good for our earth also. So we can say that explosion of the burning of fuels is leading to the harmful products in the environment. Yes, yes, very good, student. So the increasing fuel consumption has harmful effects on the environment. For example, students, like the fuel in the case of vehicles, we can see large amount of pollution the vehicles create, right? Also, the carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum, they release unburnt carbon particles, which are the fine particles dangerous pollutants which cause respiratory diseases, as the case we have discussed, like the asthma. The problem of asthma is also due to this, the burning of the fuels in the large amount. So students, incomplete combustion of these fuels, they are giving us the carbon monoxide gas, which is a very harmful gas. Okay, so it is very poisonous and harmful. If you it is dangerous to burn coal in a closed room. Why? Because it can kill that person sleeping in that room, or some person is there in that room, because the burning of wood or coal, that will release what? Carbon monoxide in this room, and the person will be affected by it. So we should see that why the burning of fuels, they leads to harmful products, and how can we protect our environment from it, right? There's a different ways. Now students, think and answer that what is the impact of the incomplete combustion on the monuments? What is happening that due to that incomplete combustion on the monuments? Yes, you can think of, yes, you are giving the example of Taj Mahal. Very good. So Taj Mahal is, we can say it is turning yellowish rather than white it was used to be. Yes, this is because of so many gases are there in our environment, which is affecting that the whiteness of the Taj Mahal. So chemicals are affecting the monuments also. Not only Taj Mahal, but still there are different monuments also. So students, now next question for you, that incomplete combustion leads to producing dash gas. Yes, what type of gas they produce? Yes, you can write your answers in the comment section. Yes, very good. They produces the carbon monoxide gas. And carbon monoxide is a dangerous and harmful gas. Very good students. So what have we discussed in this video? Yes, so in this video we have discussed about the explosion, the various cases of explosion and the examples related to that. And also we have discussed about the burning of fuels, how it is leading to harmful products, and many real life examples which we have seen. Very good students. So now what is explosion? Yes, explosion is something which is releasing to the excess amount of sound, heat or light due to a chemical reaction in which a substance easily ignites, right? And students, in your homework, what you have to do, you have to write that what is explosion and explain its process with the help of example. And also what you have to do is you have to give some more examples, search for more applications where the burning of fuels is leading to harmful products. And in the activity, you have briefly have to write a report that how we can save our environment or the nature by these burning of fuels if it's leading to harmful products, what measures we can take. So we will discuss more in our next videos. So till then students, thank you and have a nice day. So we will meet in the next part of our video. So thank you students.